Picsart How to Make a Sticker. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your Picsart app. After the app opens, go to the plus button at the bottom of the screen and click it to begin a project. Then click the plus button in the bottom right corner to create a new canvas. After that, find the image that you want to turn into a sticker. Once you find the image, select it so it can be imported into your project. When the image appears on the canvas, scroll through the menu at the bottom of the screen until you find the cutout option. Select Cutout to begin removing the background from the image. After the cutout menu opens, you will see several options that can help you select different parts of the image. Choose the Select option and then pick the category that matches what you want to turn into a sticker. For example, if you want to create a sticker from a person in the image, select the Person option. Once you select it, Picsart will process the image and cut out the person from the background. After the cutout is completed, you will be able to see the selected subject separated from the rest of the image. When you are satisfied with the result, press the checklist button at the top of the screen. This saves the cutout and creates the sticker. At this point, the sticker has been created successfully. If you want to view and use the sticker, close your current project and create a new one. After making a new project, scroll through the available tools and select Sticker to open the sticker menu. When the sticker menu appears, go to My Stickers. After that, select Collections to view the stickers that you have created. Inside the Collections section, you will see the sticker you made earlier. Select the sticker to import it into your new canvas. Once it is added to the canvas, you can use it as part of your project.